Hi friends, welcome to Lips Tips and More. Today I have a bundle of lipsticks from my most favorite lipstick brand Maybelline. These are Superstay Matte Ink. I know this is quite late a review, but yes, I tried it, got 1, 2, 3 and I was totally impressed with this lipstick that now I own 9 of them. They are earlier reviewed by many of the YouTubers, but yes, I wanted to review my particular shades. The most important part is people feel difficulty in the application and the removal. Here I will discuss that with the swatches. Let's come to the application part. Application is quite easy, but I have heard many people facing difficulty in it. This lipstick is used best when you take a very thin coat on your lips. Just dip once and apply it into your entire lips. Do not give an overcoating or layering to it. And give this a sufficient 2 to 3 4 minutes time to settle down on your lips. Initially it is a bit sticky, but later on it gets completely matte with a little gloss on your lips. Once dried, it won't budge, it won't get away anywhere until and unless you yourself remove it. I don't know what the formula is, but yes, this lipstick won't budge, won't move anywhere until and unless you yourself remove it. It will survive your breakfast, lunch and dinner. At night you yourself have to get rid of it. The shade collection is quite versatile. You get, I think, the most of the unique colors in this collection and you must have tried at least one of it. But the main difficult part here comes to how to remove it. Initially, I also was stuck somewhere how to remove it, but yes, gradually I learned to trick how to remove it that I'll be sharing here. You just need a drop of coconut oil or a moisturizer or a Vaseline. Just apply it to your lips, wait for 2 to 5 seconds and later on just wipe it with a cotton gently. Don't rub, otherwise you will hurt your lips. Doesn't goes off completely with one swipe of cleaning. You can repeat this action second time, and with the second time I bet it will be completely gone off. And after removing it, just apply a nice lip balm to give your lips a soft supple look. A little bit about this stickiness, long staying and hard to remove thing is quite acceptable when the lipstick is giving you 15 hours stay, so how can we not give 2 minutes just to remove it? Over the period of time, these lipsticks have become my all-time favorite. I ended up buying 9 shades from the collection and I think this is the one brand or one range of lipstick that I own 9 pieces. Them on discounts, you get them on offers, and I am really impressed with this lipstick range. They have recently launched their Reds collection and a coffee edit collection. There is a must red shade for everyone in that and a brown tone shade for you in that coffee collection. So if you feel like, you can grab that also. I have a pink shade from its pink collection. Let me first show you all the shades that I have on my arms in natural sunlight. As you can see, all the shades are quite bright. And if you love the staying power, texture and all, this is a must-have lipstick in your kit. I have quite a good collection: light shade, peachy shades, pinks, reds, mauves, magenta, whatnot I have. And I feel this collection is quite sufficient for me. Now, let us move on to the swatches one by one with the shade numbers. Here I move on with the first shade, that is 130 Self Starter. This is a peachy pinky kind of shade with a hint of rust or a brown, a must have shade for summers, and indeed it is such a beautiful shade. I really like it. Next, let us move towards the second shade. It is 15 Lover. Lover is a mauvey pink light shade, a very good shade for summers. For those with fair and medium skin tone, I don't suggest it for the dark skin. The third shade here comes Dancer 118. It is that warm red shade with a hint of orange in it, but yes, on lips it looks quite red, warm tone red. Good one for your party collection. The next shade that I have is again a red one, 20 Pioneer. This is most of the hottest shade from its collection, a blue tone red. Very apt for winters when you need a bit of red that is quite dark. This looks very beautiful when we wear a black dress with red during winter season. Next shade I have is 80 Ruler. This is one of my favorite shades. I don't know how to explain the color. Berry, red, mauve, pink. It's a mixture of all. You will surely love it. If you want a one, just buy this one. Next color here is 30 Romantic. Romantic is a bright blue tone fuchsia pink color. Very good for that peppy look on your face when you want to have that Barbie kind of look. Go and grab this pink for yourself. Next here comes 120 Artist. It is a magenta with a hint of maroon in it. Quite dark on lips. Here it is not that dark, but yes, on lips it seems quite dark to me. It is overall a good one. Next is 35 Creator. Creator is a color. It doesn't look wearable in the image, but when you apply it, it's quite a wearable kind of purple. I was quite astonished that this looks good on my skin. Next shade I have is 157, and this one is last in my collection. It is from their newly launched pink edition. 7 is a pink that not too dark, not too light, too good for that medium kind of look on your skin. So this was my overall collection. Hope you all liked it, and please I request, do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit that little bell icon on the channel so that you get notified whenever I upload my next video. And do hit like button if you like the video. That gives a great motivation to the channel to work more towards your reviews.